If you're seeing Steam error code 50, don't worry, because in most cases this is caused by corrupted cache files, a network problem, or something blocking Steam from connecting properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to fully restart Steam. This is important because simply closing the window is not always enough. Right-click the Steam icon in the system tray if you see it, then exit Steam completely. If it still seems stuck, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, find Steam in the list, select it, and click End Task. Once Steam is fully closed, reopen it and check if the error is gone. If you're still getting error code 50, the next step is to clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings and select Downloads. Here, you'll see the Clear Download Cache button. Click it, and Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward. This step can fix broken temporary data that often causes loading or connection issues. Now let's refresh your network connection. Sometimes the problem is not Steam itself, but your internet connection or router. Restart your modem and router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Once your internet comes back online, launch Steam again and see if the error has been fixed. A simple network reset can solve a surprising number of Steam connection problems. Next, check whether a VPN or proxy is interfering with Steam. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try Steam again. On Windows, open Settings, go to Network and Internet. Then select Proxy. Make sure any proxy settings are turned off unless you specifically need them. Steam can sometimes fail to connect properly when traffic is being routed through a VPN or proxy server. After that, we need to make sure Steam is allowed through your firewall. Open Windows Security, then go to Firewall and Network Protection and choose Allow an app through Firewall. Look for Steam in the list and make sure both private and public access are enabled if needed. If Steam is blocked by the firewall, it may not be able to download, connect, or load content properly. If the issue still continues, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs are a little too aggressive and can block Steam files or network traffic by mistake. Turn it off briefly, test Steam, and then turn it back on after checking. This is just for troubleshooting, so don't leave protection disabled longer than necessary. Now let's clear out temporary files that may be causing conflicts. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %temp%, then press Enter. This will open your temporary files folder. Select all the files inside and delete them. If some files won't delete because they're in use, skip those and continue. Cleaning temp files can remove junk data that may be interfering with Steam or your system. If nothing has worked so far, try running Steam as an administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it may need to update, connect, or access certain files properly. If this solves the issue, you can also set Steam to always run as administrator from its Properties menu. And if you're still seeing Steam error code 50 after all of that, the final fix is to reinstall Steam. Before you do that, make sure you back up your Steam apps folder so you don't lose your game downloads. Then download the latest official Steam installer directly from Valve's website and reinstall it. This can repair damaged program files while keeping your game safe if you backed everything up first. So those are the best ways to fix Steam error code 50, starting with simple cache and connection checks and ending with a full reinstall if needed. Most people will solve the issue before reaching the last step, so try them in order and test Steam after each one. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.